How to add WhatsApp from another country. So first is you have to go to your WhatsApp application, and it will actually lead you here to your chat area. Now on the upper part, you will see a camera icon and a write a message icon there. Just tap on that. And then here you will see three options such as creating new group, new contact, new community. Just tap on new contact, and you just have to put the name of that person and then the last name of the person. And then here you can put here the person's country directly. So let's say the person is from Cambodia, and here it will actually set the code for that country. Now if it's not available to you, you can actually go to your Google here, and just there here you'll see the country code here, and basically just copy that. And then if you will write their contacts, just tap on plus sign and their country code and then their number. And basically that is how you add a contact from another country in WhatsApp. Now if it's not working, you can go to your app store or play store, just tap on and find for WhatsApp there, and if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my application is updated. Now if it's updated, you can now go back and do the same process again. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.